Moo. A noisy farmyard tale. Spotty Dotty Cow really loves to chew. Watch her eating grass and listen to her. Moo! Happy Brown Horse loves eating tasty hay. Watch him trot along and listen to him. Neigh! Lovely woolly sheep, leaping near and far. Watch her jump their gates and listen to her. Bah! Smelly pig makes them mad. Splitter splatter. Listen to him. Oink! As the butterflies all scatter. Oink! Little yellow chick is ready for her sleep. Before she shuts her eyes, she gives a cheery cheep. The animals are fast asleep as Apple swoops along. The farm is pretty quiet, but it won't last for long. Big bossy crocodile knows just what to do. He opens up his beak. Cock-a-doodle-doo!